weak healthcare system and a spike in COVID-19 infections, a double crisis for one of the countries in the world. Within the last 3 weeks, the number of new daily cases in Uganda has increased dramatically from 100 to 1,700. This hospital in the capital, Kampala, is on the brink of collapse.
Corona muzibu nnyo, ndwadde y'akabi, ndwadde ebonyabonya abantu, emazeewo ensi. Eridde ensi yonna, naaba mu ngalo, beera mu nnyumba yo. Olaba obubonero buno, omusujja, okukolola, okwasimula, laba omusawo. Uganda. Oh Corona, 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 oh Corolla, oh Corolla, oh Corolla, oh Corolla, oh Corolla, oh Corolla. Munave mungaro, munave mungaro, munave mungaro, nava mungaro, munave mungaro, munave mungaro, munave mungaro. Obere mu nyumba yo, obere mu nyumba yo, obere mu nyumba yo, tula mu nyumba yo, obere mu nyumba yo, obere mu nyumba yo, obere mu nyumba yo. China, Italy, bali bubi nnyo.